What's up, Shalom? What's going on, fellas? What's going on? We're gonna talk about trust and power of attorney and a few other things. Cause so a lot of people think that something got something to do with child support when it ain't got shit to do with child support whatsoever. Waiting for some few more people to come in. This bitch should be full. This bitch should be full. I'm gonna be brief. Two more minutes. Forty more seconds. All right, let me start. We want to talk about trust. Start with trust, okay? Because a lot of people don't know what a trust is really. Okay, let me read it. Let me read what a trust is. This is a trust. A trust, a right of property, real or personal, held by one party, the trustee. Okay, for the benefit of another. The beneficiary sets the KV trust. Okay, everybody is stuck on that. A right to property, real or personal, held by one party, the trustee, for the benefit of another, the beneficiary of the sets the KV trust. Okay. Who is the trustee of your trust? Hmm? This shit should be full. Who is the trustee of your trust that sets the KV trust? Huh? Somebody answer that? I'm gonna blow it up some more. Huh? Talk to me. The creator of this right is the settler, a trust set up for her daughter. Reliance on the honesty and integrity of someone, relationship of a trust. See faith. Confidence, honesty, integrity of someone, relationship of a trust. See faith, confidence, and association of persons. Companies having the intention and power of the tendency to create monopoly, other or otherwise interfere with the free course of trade and transportation. What is a trust? Huh? What's the Sesta KV trust? Somebody talk to me in the chat. Because honestly, a bitch can't be trusted. A bitch can't be trusted. I don't know how many women I met that had a trust or a will. A trust is a right of property, or real or personal, held by one party, the trustee. So who is the trustee of the Sister KV Trust? Who the beneficiary? Hmm? We got all these people talking about trust this and trust that, beneficiary this and beneficiary that, and they ain't got no money. They broke as hell. Let me tell y'all something. If somebody over you over your trust, Sister KV Trust, why haven't y'all wanted to ask them for some money? Because when you're in charge of something, you're responsible. Financial too. Okay? See, the rest of these niggas don't know this shit because they retarded and stupid. When somebody has the custody of you, they have to take care of you. Like when you go to jail or prison, when you're in their custody, they clothe you, they feed you, okay? They house you, okay? Come on, talk to me. Because it's a lot of confusing people trying to confuse y'all. When I told y'all a long time ago, when something is confusing to you, it's a fucking lie. This shit is simple, straight to the fucking point. A little child can understand what the fuck I'm saying. I'm finna call some niggas, get their ass up here and tell them I'm lying. Right now. Somebody gave it to me. Somebody gave me the answer. Your call. Somebody gave me the answer. Assisted KV trust is the term derived from French, a French phrase that means he who lives. Okay? Put my charger in. Hold on, y'all. I gotta put my charger in for my goddamn computer. Die on y'all niggas. Wait a minute. Oh man. Wait a minute, fellas. Put it in the wrong. Whatchamacallit. There it is. Let me finish reading the 60 KV Trust. From a legal principle established by English law by the 60 KV Act of 1666, the act was created to deal with the management of estates that were in limbo due to the absent owners, such as when an individual was lost at sea and their death could not be confirmed under the act. A trustee could manage the property, ensuring it was not neglected or misused during the owner's absence. If the person was absent for 7 years, they could be declared legally dead, and the property would pass to their heirs and be otherwise managed according to existing laws. In modern times, now, KV trusts sometimes appear in discussions related to conspiracy theories and fringe legal theories, particularly in the context of personal sovereignty arguments. However, in mainstream legal practice, the concept primarily relates to historical and specialized aspects of property law. Y'all hear what I just read? Yeah, what's up? Yeah, I got the email. I was just reading it to you, reading it to everybody. Appreciate it, brother. Fellas, if y'all hear this 60 KV trust bullshit running around here, don't pay that shit no mind. We ain't lost in no goddamn sea. Your mom and daddy fucked you into existence. Okay? They either had a will or they didn't. They either didn't give you shit or leave you shit. Okay? This ain't England. And this damn show ain't France. This is America. Okay? Learn how to say no thank you. And your life would get better. Okay? Because you have people on the internet. You have the internet gurus, right? I'm going to give them their name, guru, because I'm not no guru. Okay? For one, I went to school for this shit. Everybody ain't go to school for this shit. Okay? And we didn't learn about no 60 KV trust at paralegal studies at Virginia College, my nigga. We didn't talk about this shit because this shit is outdated. We're in modern times now. Everybody is alive. Everybody ain't lost at sea. So if you're hearing these knuckleheads on here talking about you were lost at sea, you gotta claim this and claim that. Fool, they know your motherfuckers. Put it like this. Send this video to the next dumbass nigga who talking this stupid shit. Tell them, especially the ones who get letters in the mail and they all caps names and they say it's not you, but they tell you to respond to not you, right? They tell you to respond, you ain't the capital person, that ain't you. Tell them niggas to send me their checks that come in that all caps name while they bullshit. A power of attorney and a trustee serve different roles and are governed by different rules. Correct. I'm finna put that definition up, brother. I sure am. Hold on. Because you have these idiots. That's why I hate the internet. I really do. I hate the internet. We're going to talk about power of attorney. Y'all ready with what the power of attorney is? Y'all want to see what a power of attorney is? Huh? A power of attorney, a document that authorizes another to act as one's agent or attorney. See attorney in fact and authority. It's a fucking document. Put it like this. You ready for this? If you feel like you don't want to handle your business and you want to talk to somebody, or you going through some hospital shit or funeral shit, land shit, call Wasil or Sham and say, hey man, we need you to be the power of attorney. Okay, then we're gonna draft this document up. We got power of attorney over you. You sign your name, we sign our name. Bam, get it notarized, have two witnesses, bam. Power of attorney. That's how that shit works. So you got these dumbass niggas talking about somebody got power of attorney. The state got power of attorney over you. Ain't no motherfucking state got power of attorney over you. That's a goddamn lie. Ain't no state finna come pay your fucking bills, nigga. Cause if I'm lying, the power of attorney, aka the state, they not gonna come ask you to pay for some child support shit. Niggas is so retarded and stupid. Stupidity is a fucking virus now. It's a fucking plague of academic. Look, go back to the financial debate, and if you think I'm lying, not this financial debate, not financial debate, political debate, excuse me. Go to the last Republican political debate before this one last week. America has an illiteracy problem, right? Not only illiteracy, but a comprehension problem. Right? My girl had to do this power of attorney for her mom. Her sister had to do a power of attorney for her dad. They make the decisions because they're old. Niggas are retarded. Okay? Niggas are retarded. Niggas on the internet are retarded. Stay away from them sovereign dumbasses. But I'm telling you, because you're gonna get confused, you're gonna be looking stupid. Let me stop sharing this shit. Let me keep going. Let me do what a dispute is. What is an agency? I put that one up. Hold on. Let me go through this stuff first. What is an administrative order, fellas? What we learned the other night. What I put up. What is an administrative order? A dispute, right? So a dispute is a conflict of controversy, a dispute over damages, an argument, debate, feud, altercation, battle, contention, clash, disagreement, wrangle, strife, brawl, decision, challenge, polemic, contest, discord, variance, decision. To doubt or question the accuracy of something, the witness disputed the allegation, debate, contest, rebut, refute, challenge, take exception, take issue, object, resist, contradict, defer, deny, controvert, agreement, accept, dispute. Does it say anything about you borrowed, you owe any money? Huh? Child support say you in arrears. Okay, if I'm in arrears, that means I'm in delinquent behind my default in my loans. I'm kind of hot right now too, fellas. I'm so fucking hot right now. Let's go to the state. Let's go to the state. In the state, an interest in real or personal property. To extent of one's interest in real or personal property. and estate and land. See interest. The total property of whatever kind that is owed by a descendant prior to the distribution of the property according to the terms of a will or according to the laws of inheritance if the descendant dies intestate. So what this means when the descendant dies intestate, that means that person didn't have a will. So if that person didn't have a will and you got other brothers and sisters, guess what? Y'all gotta go get a lawyer in the state gonna be in charge of this shit. Because your people was not fucking responsible to make a trust or a fucking will. And then you're gonna have to agree with stupid ass. Hold on a second. Hold on a second, fellas. Yeah, my bad. I had a call. Like I was saying, we gonna break this shit down, fellas, because a lot of people, somebody just called me for some information. Hold on. Black folks don't know shit. Let me see. A state can't be a power of attorney. The state has more power than a power of attorney. Thank you. Thank you, G. Thank you, G. Shit. We got people talking about the state of power of attorney over you and all that old crazy shit. Man, our people need to listen. But anyway, when a descendant dies intestate, fellas, that's bad. And then if y'all can't get along with each other, that shit gonna be in limbo. You're gonna have to get a lawyer, y'all gonna have to do the succession and shit. And then you might not like your sister, because I'm gonna tell you something, when land and money comes in and you got some old bitch ass kinfolk or sisters or brothers, nigga, that shit gonna be hard. So it's always best to make a will, fellas. That way y'all won't have no bullshit. Cause I know some people who went through that shit. Me and AGB know. We know who went through this bullshit intestate. That is bad. Brothers, get you a will. Ain't nothing more powerful than a trust or a will. You don't want to die without no will, without none of that, bro. I'm telling you. All these other niggas, see, we the only ones talking about this shit on YouTube. Nobody else. They don't know this. They knowledge is limited. Their information is limited because they don't read. They Google every goddamn thing. Let me keep reading. All the property of bankrupt, incompetent person, insane person, ward. She was appointed administrator. So when somebody dies intestate in your family without a will, y'all gonna have to get an administrator. And guess what? It's gonna be a fight to be the administrator. It's to who got the money to be administrator, right? Administrator of the estate. Now, wills, you have executors, right? But in intestate, you have administrators. I know this shit. Me and AGB, we know this shit. Ain't that way, my brother? Hold on, let me see what he put up. If people are concerned about their social trust account, their mammy applied for that on their body. Just on the pictures and be private. Hey man, he's spitting facts tonight. See, all these niggas be talking the shit. Look, if you go to all these other channels, you can hear them just talking shit that they done got out somewhere. They ain't put up no books. Y'all getting the education on how trust law works. We know. Me and AGB know this shit. Damn, this bill good, god damn it. But yeah, let me keep reading this stuff, man. There's some good lessons tonight. Can I get an amen? Assets, wealth, effects, belonging, possession, tangible property, intangible property, rights, values, equity, realty, personality, chattels, holdings, interests, future, fortune, titles, goods. Hey, didn't y'all know? Did y'all know this is a law? People cannot trespass on your personality. Did you know that? We'll talk about that another time. A large amount of property on which someone lives, country, estate, manor, compound, abode, residence, acres, ranch, villa. So all that shit gonna have to be divided. Okay? Y'all gotta be mad at y'all mammies. If she ain't set y'all up and a father, hey man, the social, civil, political condition or standing of a person, individual in every state, rank, decree, status, class, situation, order, place, dignity, stratum, level, chest. Okay? Let me stop sharing that shit. Let me see. These other people on YouTube are illiterate and want attention, too lazy to read a book or paper information. Big facts. Fact. We're gonna leave that up. Big facts. Facts. My brother telling facts, man. You know what I mean? Now, this the one we need to go to. All these numbskulls be talking about the trustee. Y'all ready for the trustee? Let me know, can y'all see the trustee? Let me take that comment down my brother put up. Man, he stay on his shit. He did a 360 in this bitch. Y'all see this? Hold on. Wait a minute. Trustee. You see this? The person or company holding property in trust. And they what these dumbass niggas is referring to is the system can't be trust. Talking about appoint the trustee. See, fiduciary, guardian, custodian, agent. Okay. Who the trustee? Who y'all trustee? Who y'all trustee? Huh? We told you at Sham Stop a long time ago in what was it, G? Was it 2015? To study trust law, business law, trust law and business law mainly. And civil rules and procedures, right? We're gonna read this again. Trustee, the person or company holding property in trust. Now, do y'all have a trust? Everybody who have a trust in the chat, hit on one if you got a trust. Googling for information is what poor and illiterate people do instead of reading these books. They keep in the law library and spending money. The game is not free. Hit on one if y'all got a trust. You got a trust? Okay. Everybody hit on one if you got a trust. I already know AGB. He already got his shit taken care of. Everybody in this room, hit on one if you have a trust right now or a will set up. If you don't, your parents have failed you. That's all I'm going to tell you. If you don't, your parents have failed you. Do y'all have a trust or a will right now? Your parents have failed you. We got two people, but what the rest of everybody else said? Tell me if y'all ain't got a trust or not. Yeah, people got assets. Yeah, they sitting on their ass. Their ass is set to Google shit. Come on now. This a good podcast tonight, fellas. I'm finna bring up some more definitions. I'm not through. I'm not through yet. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. We will help you because you're in the right place. Because these niggas don't know how to set up a trust or a will or anything. That shit is important to have. See, in the black community, they don't teach that shit no more. You know what I'm talking about? But in the Caucasian community, they believe in that shit. Trust, will, all types of shit. Insurance, them getting money off of insurance and shit. You know what I'm talking about? Life insurance. You know? If it's anybody in here need help, other than my brother here, need help with making a trust or will, hit us up. Let us know. You gotta have this stuff, man. This is important. Cause you don't want to stay, you don't want to die in test state and somebody else fucking on your shit. Right? Let me stop sharing that. That's what I'm talking about, my brother. Let me go to another definition. Okay. We're gonna go to this simple one right here. It's gonna be called grant. Let me see. Did we put it back up? Yeah, like G. Alex said, share this video to the other YouTube turds. What's a grant? To bestow or confer on another with or without compensation. The will granted him the estate, aka, check this out, grantor. Let me pull up this book. I got you, Felipe. Let me pull up grantor for everybody. Let me pull up for grantor. Fellas, remember this: you are a man, and you will always be the grantor. Women, if a woman becomes a grantor, it's because she got it from another man. Because women hardly work hard for shit anyway. They lazy as fuck. They think because they go sit on their ass at a fucking desk job. Oh, I work hard every day. No, you don't. You sit on your ass and fart and eat and eat. Okay? I think I already put that one in there. But a grant, okay? Let me pull up agency for my brother. Man, there's some good stuff, ain't it? Agency. Even though I already did the video on agency, but I'm gonna do it again for him since he asked. You know what I mean? And we got people in here. Fellas, don't let nobody fool you. Don't be fooled. If you want to learn something, pick up a book. Okay? That's all you gotta do. The books was here before the internet. The internet is here for dumbasses. Okay? The only reason you should use the internet is probably to look up stats. And that's probably Riri too. You know what I mean? Let me look up agency, fellas. I'm gonna pull up agencies for people for this brother. We're gonna go down where the agency is. I emailed it to myself. This is a good class tonight on trust and power of attorney. Okay, let me stop sharing this one. Let me stop sharing this one. Let me pull it up for you fellas. Okay, wait a minute. Agency. Anybody need any more definitions? Let me know. You want to learn out about trust and shit like that? Let me know. I got you. Okay, here come agency. Are y'all ready for agency? Agency. Let me blow it up. Agency. A relationship in which one person acts for another or represents another by the later letters authority, e.g., principal and agent, master and servant. A governmental body that carries out and administers the law. Bureau, commission, department, office, committee, authority, board, administration, bureaucracy, organization, establishment, delegation, desk. Number 3, a business that acts on behalf of others. Fellas, remember this. If y'all don't remember nothing else, this is a business. An agency is a business that acts on the behalf of others. Your baby mama. Your baby mama went to the child support agency to do what? Thank you. Firm, company, corporation, house, the means by which something is accomplished, power, instrumentality, instrument, action, activity, force, intervention, operation, work, mechanism, function, management, causation, direction, influence, mediation, medium, representation, support, conduct, charge, command, handling, service, method, interaction, mission, mode of action, route, modus operandi, system, process, practice, course, procedure, steps, vehicle, intercession, procurement, effectiveness, doing, governance, superintendent. Come on now. What other word y'all looking for? What other word y'all looking for? Because we can go all night on this. Remember, fellas, stay away from that sensitive KV trust shit. That shit is in France. That shit is old as shit. Get you a business, like my brother said, get you a business. Get you a business. Brother Maurice already has one. You good, brother. But I'm gonna show you how to make that thing way better. You know what I mean? This shit is not hard. Be careful who you listen to. Because these nut jobs up here talking about they not the person. Tell the next niggas that say they not the person, and they get a check in the mail or they get their stimulus check, tell them to send them to Sham Stoppers because they not the person. Okay? Tell them what I said. Because they sound retarded. Fellas, just say no thank you. These agencies trying to put you in their programs. Man, this is beautiful. With a business, you pass the debt to other people and sometimes back to the government write-offs, but the game will cost you LOL. Hey now, fellas, start you a business. Read a book. It ain't gonna kill you. It's not gonna kill you. Let me pull up some more words. Hold on, I'm gonna do another word for y'all. Let me see another word. Are y'all ready for this? Let me pull up solicitor for y'all. Are you ready for solicitor? I think I did this for y'all a long time ago. We gave this game up a long time ago. Ooh, y'all gonna love this one. We taking y'all back with some good old rerun history. Solicitor. Don't leave yet. Solicitor. We're gonna do the definition of solicitor. Okay. Hey man, remember this, fellas. The more you learn, the more you earn. We ain't got time to be looking at no bitches. We ain't got time to be talking about man or I love my baby mama. We ain't got time for none of that old bullshit. Let me stop sharing this agency. Okay, hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, Felipe. Man, thank y'all for stopping by, man. Thank y'all, because I know y'all care about y'all lives. People come stop by, go out, and them be the dumbest niggas that go out. Know they need to have their black ass in here listening to this shit. Hold on. Solicitation. The act of enticing, inviting, promoting, requesting, urging, or ordering someone to commit a crime. Solicitation of a bribe, a request for something, solicitation of funds. Pet- petition, nigga. What? Petition. Requisition. Applic- application. Entreaty. Appeal. Inquiry. Demand. Motion. Proposal. Submission. Proposition. Bid. Bid bond. Okay. Presentation. Prayer. Right? Adjuration. Supplication. Asking. One who solicits a lawyer for a city or a town. Agency. See attorney. A British lawyer engaged in the office work of litigation before some courts for representation in other courts, particularly the higher courts. The solicitor refers the case to the barrister. Solicitor General of the United States, the lawyer in charge of representing the United States in the United States Supreme Court. What have we learned here today, fellas? Huh? What have we learned here tonight? That child support ain't nothing but solicitors. Remember that. Child support ain't nothing but solicitation. That's all it is. Isn't that lovely? Don't y'all like that? Solicitation? Correct, my brother. Correct. The attorney generals are solicitors of every state. This is beautiful, fellas. They solicitors. Well, I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. Y'all have a good night, man. We're gonna come back this week again with some more shit. Peace.